I'm not sure 4 years is enough. I need to think about this for a minute. You got a problem with. And Mr. Douglas, I hate this because I really, really, really wanted you to succeed. I find you guilty of obstruction or retaliation, a third-degree felony. It shows that you were placed on probation November 18th of 2025 for the offense of obstruction or retaliation, a third-degree felony. And that was a 3-year deferred probation. Is that correct? And this motion alleges that you violated your probation in count one only by failing to act in a courteous and professional manner, by incurring 3 new incident reports while housed at the Jefferson County Jail, including a physical altercation with another inmate on November 29th, 2025, which was the same date of your last hearing. And so, is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your plea of true to count one freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And because it's actually true?
Yes.
So he never even made it.
I know. That's just.
Yeah.
And I guess once you did that, you decided, screw it, I'm gonna do whatever I want because I already know I'm gonna get in trouble because you've been acting like an absolute fool in our jail. I'm not sure 4 years is enough. I need to think about this for a minute. I mean, is it really that hard to follow the rules?
No.
You didn't want to get out? You did? You got a problem with showing yourself while masturbating to the female officers out there, don't you? You don't?
I got no problem.
You don't have a problem? You just like to do it and you think that's cool to do that in front of them? Even though you know you're going to get written up and go to prison for that? Was that worth it?
No.
Have a seat in the jury box. I'm not sure that I'm going to accept this agreement. All right, so just for the record, and I've gone back to review the pre-sentence report just to remind myself of what was in that and kind of what got us where we are now. And Mr. Douglas, I hate this because I really, really, really wanted you to succeed. I really did. I wanted you to be able to go to ISF, but I can't not stick to my word. I told probation when you were here, I told you when you were here, no more incident reports before ISF or you're not even going to make it. And it has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. What day were we here? Dozens, at least. The sentence date was supposed to be, the sentence date was November 18th. So since November 18th. You've been caught with looks like kind of a makeshift tattoo needle. We've got 1, 2, 3. Four or 5 at least times when you have been exposing yourself while masturbating to the officers, spraying other inmates with disinfectant spray, horse playing, smoking. I mean, it's just.
Judge, I certainly understand your thoughts about it not being enough time, especially with the incident reports you're having a problem with on all these people in the jail.
No, I think I'm going to go along with what you guys have agreed to. I just wanted some time to look at it. The I'm just reminding myself of all, I mean, the fact that you got this in the first place, because we went through, I have it all marked off on this PSI, your juvenile history and the opportunity you were given now that you're an adult to change your life and just follow simple rules. So, I am going to, let's see. So I have, documents here on this tablet that have your signature on them, that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you sign these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand, if I go along with this agreement, that you're waiving any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Douglas is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Douglas, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of true to count 1 freely and voluntarily. Find that count true. Find sufficient evidence at this time to find you guilty. Okay, something wrong. Find you guilty of obstruction or retaliation, a 3rd-degree felony. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 4 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm going to hand you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, so you waived your right to appeal. I'm also going to hand you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. And so today, just Mr. Douglas, just because you got time today does not mean that you still can't do better and change your life. Better you act in prison, the sooner you're going to make parole. The sooner you do that, you can get out, hopefully follow the rules and have the best life you can. You get in TD.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder